In this video, we will learning various different formatting option in a Power Query, like formatting the number, date, text, percentage, and other transformation. So why it is useful? Sometimes I am getting the data which is not formatted, like invoice date is not formatted, invoice amount is not in the number for currency format, some does not have a decimal format. I have some blanks, so I don't have this in a decimal number, but still it has a value like this, but it is being shown as this. So how to convert this into a good format? So we will learn all this thing in this. So before for doing this, first we have to get this data into the Power Query, which I have learned in the we have learned in the previous video how to get the data into Power Query with a different source. Right now it is in the worksheet. So go to the data tab. So it's right now it's in the from table or range. If I click it from table and range, it is converted into the Power Query. See, it has already applied one step, change type. If you see, it has just checked what is this? It's a whole number. It has converted into the whole number. It is into the decimal. It has checked there's a decimal is there. So if I click on the source, if you see this icon ABC123 means this is means it does not identify any consider the all item may be the text or a number. And just see as soon as I click the change type, it has checked that 1.2 it is a decimal number. ABC is for the text. So it has converted the formatting for us. Still the something is missing which we will learn now. Suppose I want to start with the invoice date. I want to change the formatting on invoice date. So the option is one option I can select this column, go to the transform and there is a data change type. Here I can click and change it to the date format. I can say the replace the current step, so the format is changes. You see now it has been converted in date form. I can even go by this, right click on this, just go and click on this. See, if I just click on this, I can also change the formatting with date and time. Suppose if I am recording the date and time, I can use this option. If I want only time, then I can use the option. Duration is when I have a difference between two dates and I want the duration in hours, minute and second, then this formatting can be used. So these are the formattings for the date option. So once I selected this, I don't have to bother next time in which format. If I get the format in text format, automatically it will convert it into date formats. So now for this invoice amount, see where two decimal places here, one decimal, but they are not in the sequence. So I can change into the number format, replace current. It just your symbol will not be when you copy paste. It's see now the my number is in the accounting format, so I will able to see all in the sequence. And for this, suppose also this, I want this to be in the same format, so I can change this to a decimal number. Right now it's just if I want the quantity to be in a whole number, I will select the option as a whole number, replace current. So it has been converted into whole number. So if I check, there's an option called decimal number where it will show the number where decimal is there. Currency, it will convert this to in this format. If it is a whole number, it will convert to the whole number, ignoring this. Now how to use the percentage, we will just see. Suppose I have this cost data which is also not in a format, it is in the decimal format, but still I don't like the format. So for this, there's additional format. I will right click on it. Also I can change this, get this option. So these options are available on the ribbon tab, also in clicking on this tab, and also in the right click. In addition to that, there is a transform tab where you can use the round option, round up and down. I can use round to two decimal place. If I click OK, so I will get the values up to two decimal place. So it will be the good to see, and I can just change this into a currency format. Now we are just learning the percentage. Suppose I want here the cost. This is the invoice amount, is the cost. What's the cost percentage? For this, I can go to the add column, custom column. Here I will add cost percentage. Here the formula will be cost divided by invoice amount. If I click OK, it will give me the values, but these are not in the percentage format. So just click on this and convert in a percentage format. So your formatting is done. You will get this data in a percentage format. And also suppose someone has not filled the value here, null. So for this, go to the select the column, go to the transform, then go to the replace value, and here I will find the null. By default, the Power Query convert wherever there is a blank, it convert into the null, so that there must be some value is there instead of blank. I want to replace it hash column. Click OK, so that my formatting is done. So I think I'm good to go. I have checked the formatting, number format this. This is in the text format. So we have learned the decimal number, currency, whole number, percentage, date, text. Suppose some format I want to text. True and false when we have converted some greater than or less than sign and converted this value into true and false. This can be further used in making the formulas. So also you can go right click if transform. You see, in that case of text, transformation have a different option. If it's a number format, if I click on the transform, it has a different option. So it will understand which formatting in which you are working. Suppose I want this one to uppercase, it will convert it into uppercase. If I want transfer capitalize each word, so it will give me the proper format. So there are number of format you explore and get the required date. Also, in the case of invoice date, in the transformation, there's an option called date. And if you want only the year, if you click on the year, you will get only the year. If I just go to again this, it has extracted the year. I will replace this tab if you want only the month, name of the month. So I will get a name of the month where it is. So I want to just retain this invoice date. I will right click copy and make a duplicate column and then make a convert into the month, name of the month. So I will get my invoice date and so these when I have done all the formatting, I just click close and load. I get my data in the transform way. I have get this date in this format. Suppose some new value has been added in there. Suppose I am adding this invoice number, but it has not in the formatting. But the magic is as soon as I go to the data tab and refresh all, I will get this whole thing in a refresh when whichever format I require. Also get the percentage for this. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.